I'm Steve Locke with Locke Buildings. We're going to learn how to install E-flashing today. The E-flash is installed at the lowest side of the roof underneath the felt and metal roofing. E-flashing can be installed off a ladder or the roof. Whenever you're working on a roof, use proper safety gear. You want to start installing starting at one side and continue along the roof, overlapping a minimum of 3 inches. You'll want to use flat-headed screws at approximately 3 feet spacing. You want to continue that process all the way down to the other end. You may have to cut the last piece, or it's okay to overlap it more. Thanks for watching this video today. If you have any questions or you'd like to buy any products or buy a kit, please contact us today.